Hey, so you want to make money online and you don't know how to actually do it. You want to know if it's possible and it's something that you could possibly do. Well, I'm going to show you right now that it is possible. I'm going to show you from today. Today is 7/23/2022 at 9:11 p.m. And this came in at 12:26 a.m. and that was 22 hours ago, or 20 hours ago, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to show you the commissions that came in, just from this alone. I'm going to scroll down. And here you go. This one is $20. Here's $100. And it's a rebill. And then here's another $20. So, in total, that's $140 that came in. And these are our residual monthly, commissions that you get that build up. And I'm going to show you exactly what this is. So when you first get started, you need a system in place that will actually teach you how to build out any business online, so you understand how to do it. And we have this quick start guide right here that is going to actually help you to get started immediately. It's going to show you what to post on social media. It's going to show you what to put in emails so that way you can make sales, and how you can actually get started, right? So here's all the information that you need when you get started. And then, here's what this is. So I'm going to go all the way up here and I'm going to show you some of my, here you go. And so we go to the affiliates, and right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week. Here's one of my students and team members. He's also, getting results as well because he signed up with me, and we are following a specific, strategy that you could follow as well. And this is actually a funnel builder system. It teaches you all about how to build a business online. So you're going to watch these three videos right here, and you're going to get into the community, and you're going to know how to build any business online in 3 simple steps. And then you're going to learn about the builder, and you're going to connect your autoresponder, which the messages go out to your list, to your content, to your people that actually see your content, and you're going to connect it with an autoresponder, right? So you're going to connect the domain to your autoresponder. That shows you how to do that, and then you're going to learn all about the funnel and learn how to build out, custom pages so that you could have custom pages for people to go to, and they go to them. I'm going to show you. I'm going to log in here live. So what happens. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm in the wrong funnel. But here's what happens. Okay, so they come to a page like this. They put their email in, and then they go into your, contact manager where you could follow up with them to build a relationship and build rapport. And that's how you're able to build out a list. So when you're seeing my emails, this is how I'm doing it. This is how I'm building an audience, and this is how this teaches you how to do that. This teaches you all about that. It teaches you how to do different things, how to track your leads within the builder, how to share your funnels, how to do upsells and downsells. And upsell is basically if people put their email in, they come to a page like this, they watch a video, then they click on this button to get started, and they buy. An upsell would take them to another offer where they could buy again, right? And they would buy something else of value, maybe like your coaching or something like that, and they would be able to actually learn more, and you would get another commission. That's an upsell. A downsell is if they don't buy and you offer them something else of value. You're going to learn how to sell your own products. How cool is that? You're going to learn how to create your own, membership sites, and you're going to know exactly how to do that. If you've never knew how to create a website, you're going to know how to do it within here. This shows you everything that you need to know. And this is only, $25 a month. It gives you a $20 a month, commission for anybody that's using these tools. And I'm building out my entire site, my entire product that I have on this site. This site was built off of these tools. And that's really, really cool that you could do that, right? And so I'm building a product off of here, right? And I wanted to know more, and I wanted to earn more. So this is the premium product. This is like the goal, right? This teaches you how to actually, get traffic, how to get people to your offer, how to get eyes to your opportunity. So this is going to show you, exactly who your target market is, how to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give away for free in exchange for email. So it could be a PDF, it could be a video series, it could be something like that. Then there's a bunch of free methods of how to get traffic. So you're going to learn how to launch any business, how to invite people. You're going to learn how to follow up with people. You're going to learn how to get unlimited leads on Facebook. You're going to learn about video. You're going to learn how to, blog for your business. You're going to learn about YouTube ranking. You're going to learn about podcasting. You're going to learn about social media like LinkedIn, which is a professional network like Facebook. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives the right way and how to do a launch. So if you have a product, you can launch your product, and you're going to learn exactly how to do that. And then the cool thing about this is this tops the cake, right? This allows you to actually get on live coaching face-to-face by Zoom. We do a live coaching call, right? Every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time, we get on a call and we discuss what we're doing to get results. The leaders like myself get on there, they bring us out, and they want to know what we are doing to get results. So it's really cool when this happens because people learn a lot. Everybody on the call learns a lot, right? And then there's daily Take Action Mastermind calls, which are Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time, which basically the owners of the company go over the shoulder and show you what they're doing in their business. Live marketing. There's nothing that does anything like this that I've ever seen, right? And then there's done for you, funnels and other trainings that you could actually be a part of and learn as well. This gives you $100 a month, commission on top of the $20. So you're making $120 per month per sign up, which is really cool. And also is what this allows you to do is I'm going to show you this group right here. So this group is actually our Telegram group where you could get your questions answered and you can have live support. So anybody who has a question comes in here and puts your question, so you'll always have support. You'll always have somebody to help you and you'll never get stuck, right? So this gives you a $120 commission having both of these. And if you want to go all in, this shows you exactly what to do, how to structure your business. If you have a business, how to eliminate debt and how to be financially free by actually knowing how to manage your money. So this teaches you the top tax strategies for business owners to save on money so you're not spending it all in taxes. And it also teaches you how to keep your records the right way, so that way you're all organized and you're saving money and not giving it away in taxes, right? And here's some strategies that we use to actually keep our money. We invest in property, invest in real estate, invest in different things. You're going to learn how to do all that. And this gives you a $400 commission when you get in and you get all in, right? And it does that for 3 days. If you miss the deadline, then you'll have to pay the full price, and it will give you an $800 commission. and the course is $1,000. You're getting it half of that for 3 days. So if you want to go all in, you have the potential to earn over, $500 per sign up with this opportunity, which is really, really amazing. And the traffic and conversions is really amazing. It's a really great product, and it will help you to build out any business, right? And when you get started with me, I give you these pages, and you get in a premium. I give you the pages to actually, be able to convert very, very well at a good rate, so you can actually get traffic and everything like that. I'm going to give you these pages, right? So, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And also, click on the links in the description to get into the free Facebook group. I give a lot of free value and content in there. And, make sure you connect with me in the links below. And subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon.